Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here in the outdoor testing studio with a really cool little knife, which you want to know about. It is the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops knife. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to show it to you, I'm going to tell you about it a little bit, then I'm going to give it a Doug score from 1 to 5, so you know how cool or uncool I think this knife is. Let's open it up, see what it is. Should we use a knife to open a knife? Silliness all the time. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, check this out. I thought this was so cool. Here it is up close and personal, closed up like that so you can see this. Okay, so this is a very basic 3.1-inch blade Smith & Wesson knife. I just love knives like this. I think they're great. They're everyday carry knives. They have a little bit of silly kind of functionality, like it does have the glass breaking thing. It has a belt loop if you want to carry it on your belt. As I said, 3.1-inch blade, just so you can see, it even says Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops. It has a regular cutting blade with a serration on it. I've had multiple Smith & Wesson knives over the course of time. They are not artwork, but they are great little knives. Completely reliable, excellent quality. For what this is and how it is priced, this has to be 5 out of 5 Smith & Wesson blades. We'll see you next time.